Let us take you through the step-by-step guide to installing the Mira Honesty EV Mixer Shower. Start by isolating the water supplies. Decide on a suitable position for the shower unit and fittings and determine the direction and route of the water supply pipes. Once the supply pipes are installed, slide the plastic pipe guide provided over the pipes and level using a spirit level. Secure the pipe guide to the wall with tape to hold in position. Leave the guide in place and finish the wall. Ensure that the recessed supply pipes protrude 25 mm from the finished wall surface and are square to the wall. Slide the wall brackets over the supply pipes, hold in position, and mark the position of the fixing holes. Drill the holes, install the wall plugs, and fix the brackets to the wall using the screws supplied. Slide the olives over the pipes and install the connectors finger tight, then another 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Turn on the water supply and flush the pipework. Next, screw on the concealing plates. Check that the supplied sealing washers are in each inlet of the bar valve, then attach the bar valve to the wall brackets using a suitable spanner. Take care to avoid damage to the chrome finish. Secure the lower slide bar support to the slide rail by tightening the screw on the slide bar support. Do not over-tighten, as this will cause damage. Slide on the hose retaining ring, clamp bracket, and fix the upper slide bar support. Hold the slide bar assembly against the wall in the desired position, checking it's vertical with the spirit level, and use the slide bar brackets as a template to mark their positions. Drill both fixing holes. Insert the wall plugs, then secure the mounting brackets onto the wall using the wall screws provided. Check for vertical alignment, then fully tighten. Install the slide bar assembly onto the mounting brackets. Fit the end caps at the top and bottom of the slide bar, then tighten the hexagonal bolts using the hex key. Finally, ensure that the sealing washers are present at each end of the shower hose, then screw the hose onto the shower valve. Put the hose through the hose retaining ring and then attach to the handset. Now your Mira Honesty EV Mixer Shower is ready to use.